In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove and replace a driver's side outside mirror on a 4-door Honda Accord. You're going to have to open the door to access the mounting from the inside. Open it all the way up. So you're going to remove this top square piece of inner trim. Just take a trim tool and you can just pop it out, just like that. You have one clip inside there. So we're going to take the electrical connector and we're going to take it off and disconnect it. And we're going to push down on this little black tab right here. Squeeze and pull. See if I can get it with my hand. There it is. Now the mounting screws for this mirror are right here. These 3 little 6mm nuts. And it looks like they're going to be 8mm wrench. You just break them free with a wrench. You can go the rest of the way, taking them off by hand. I'm going to take the bottom one first because you're going to need your other hand to support the mirror once you dismount the last nut. So the 2 most difficult ones to get to, I'm going to do while it's being held. You can take the door panel off, but it's not really necessary. So you see this tab right here? There's another one right on the opposite side. I would call them a butterfly tab. They're kind of holding the mirror in place. So I'm going to push the bottom one in to see if I can direct that inverted that way, and that way I can just pull it out. So this is the old mirror, and as you can see, it's been beat up. This is what they call a painted cap. Ours comes with a non-painted cap. You can take your paint code, go to a body shop, ask them to paint it for you, and then you can just snap it on, or you can just snap the flat black on the new mirror. So whether you get it painted or not, you're just going to line it up. See how it has a bit of a lip there? Slide it down in, and then just push down on it and let it click in. So before you install the mirror, you're going to take off all the packaging material that goes on. This is the seal that you've got to line up to go over. There we go, just like that. Make sure those are all in place. Now from the other side, I'll direct it in. So you line up those 3 studs. Push it into place. Make sure that seal is nice, tucked in all the way. Looks great actually. And then start the mounting nuts. Like I said, I'm just going to hand tight them, then we'll tighten it down later. That's an 8mm wrench. I'm going to start on the furthest point, snug it up. I'm not going to extremely tighten it, I'm just going to snug it and then work to my next one. Because I'm actually, while you're doing this, you're sucking in that little trim seal too. So you want it to make sure it's being pulled in equally all the way around. You don't want it to have a fold to it or a pinch to it. You'll feel your wrench starting to get a little snug. Just keep moving around. Once you feel it bottom out, just give it a good 1/8 of a turn. Do that to all 3. Take your connector, line it up, and then right till it clicks. Make sure that tab pops up. You can't pull it out. Now you're going to take that plastic trim This piece is going to go right in that little cutout. Now you're good to go. When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.